Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Vivo Y400 5G smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. When you are on home screen, you don't have to reach at the top to open your notification bar and control center. There's a simple gesture for this. To enable this, tap and hold on the home screen and then select home settings. There you will see the option of swipe down on the home screen. Click on this and then select notification center. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down from the empty area like this, then it will open your control center as well as your notification bar. You can enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen a feature. By default this feature is disabled. To enable this, open your settings, scroll down and then select shortcut and accessibility. Select smart motion and then select smart screen on or off. Firstly enable double tap to wake and then also enable double tap to turn off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply double tap on the blank area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on the locked screen, then it will wake your screen up. You can fully customize your locked screen. You can write your name or any quote here. You can change the clock style, font style, color, etc. To do that, open your settings, scroll down and then select home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. From here select lock screen settings and then tap on edit. From here you can change the clock style, you can change the font and color as well. Now if you want to write your name or any code, then tap on date and then select signature. From here you can write whatever you want and then click on OK. You can also change these quick access tools. Select your favorite or most usable one and then click on apply. So that's how you can fully customize your locked screen as well. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of a simple gesture. Let me show you how it works. Open the first application and then swipe up by using three fingers like this. Select the second application you want to use. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications in a single screen with the help of this split screen feature. You can enable a handy feature called shake to turn on the flashlight feature. By default, this feature is disabled. To enable this, open your settings, select shortcut and accessibility, select smart motion and then enable shake to turn on the flashlight. Now whenever you are on home screen or you are on locked screen, you can shake your phone like this, then it will turn on the flashlight. By default, this phone doesn't show your battery percentage. If you want to enable this, then open your settings, scroll down and then select battery, select battery style and percentage. From here you can change the icon of the battery and from here you can show the battery percentage. Come back from here and then select battery health and charging. There's a feature called fast charging. You can use this feature if you quickly want to charge your smartphone, but keep in mind this will warm your phone little bit and decrease the lifespan of your phone's battery. You can monitor your real-time network speed in the status bar and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Simply open your settings, select notification and status bar and then select status bar. Simply enable show real-time network speed, then it will start showing your internet speed in the status bar. If you are not a fan of this app drawer and you want all your application on your locked screen, then tap and hold on the home screen, select home settings. On the top you will see the option of home screen style. Click on this and then select standard style. It will take few seconds. After that it will bring all your application on your home screen and disable that app drawer. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch Google Assistant instead of opening your power menu. But if you wanna set this as your power menu, then open your settings, scroll down, select shortcut and accessibility, select power button and then select launch power menu. Now if you will long press the power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your Google Assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. If your power button is not working, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can open your control center. There on the bottom you will see an icon of power. Click on this and then it will open your power menu. If you like to multitask, then you can use the smart sidebar. You will see a transparent bar on the right side of your screen. Simply swipe to the left, then it will open your smart sidebar. You can customize this, click on this little arrow and then select edit. You can remove unnecessary application from here and add your favorite or most usable application. After this, click on done. Now whenever you want to open any application, simply swipe to the left, open the smart sidebar and then select the app. It will open it in floating window. You can resize it from the corner like this, drag and drop it anywhere. You can even minimize it just like your desktop and laptop. Keep on using your smartphone, and whenever you need that app, simply tap on that icon, then it will open that application. So if you like to multitask, then you can use this smart sidebar feature in your smartphone. You can open any application in floating window. To do that, open that application, put it in recent tab and then click on that apps icon. Select small window, then it will open that application in floating window. This phone comes with this dynamic light feature. It is enabled for incoming calls only, but if you want to enable this for notifications or if you want to disable this, then open your settings, scroll down, select shortcut and accessibility. There on the bottom you will see option of dynamic light. Click on this. From here you can even set the time period for which you want to use this dynamic light. Now if you want to enable it for notifications, then select notifications and then enable this. You can select specific apps for which you want to use this dynamic light feature, and if you want to disable this, then simply disable it from here. If you want to change the order of these three buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then select system management. Select system navigation. From here you can change the order and even style of these three buttons. If you want to set gesture navigation, then simply select gesture navigation. Now you can go back like this, jump to your home screen like this and open your recent application like this. You can change the UI color of this smartphone. To do that, tap and hold on the home screen and then select color and style. Firstly, enable system and app UI color. It will show you some color palettes and some solid colors as well. Simply select your favorite color. Then it will change the UI color to that selected color. If you use your phone at night a lot, then the next two features are especially for you. Open your settings, select display and brightness. The first one is dark mode. If you enable this, then it will turn all the white colors into black colors. This feature will decrease the pressure on your eyes. And the second one is eye protection. If you will enable this, then it will warm the color of your screen. This will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. Tap on this. From here you can adjust the intensity. So if you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use these two features to protect your eyes. In the same display and brightness settings, you will see an option of font and display size. From here you can adjust the size of font, display size. You can also enable the bold text. So if you are giving this phone to an elderly person, then you can use these features. This phone comes with always on display feature by default, that is disabled. To enable and customize it, open your settings, select home screen, lock screen and wallpaper and then select always on display. Firstly enable always on display and then select AOD styles. It has really cool looking styles. You can select from any of these. You can further choose from these styles. After this, simply click on apply. Now whenever your phone will be locked, it will show that specific AOD style on your locked screen. When your phone is locked and if you will long press your volume down button, then it will turn on the flashlight, and if you will long press it again, then it will turn it off. But you can customize this action and set your favorite application or your favorite tool here. To do that, open your settings, select shortcut and accessibility and then select quick action. You can select record, open Facebook, or you can select any application that you have in your smartphone. I'm selecting YouTube. Now whenever my phone is locked and I will long press the volume down button, then it will open that specific application. But if you have a screen lock, then firstly you have to type your password, then it will open that application. There's a feature to quickly launch your camera application from your locked screen. To enable this, open your camera application, click on settings, select more settings. There you will see the option of quick action for camera. Click on this and then whenever your phone is locked, you can double press your volume down button and it will launch your camera application. You can customize a lot of animations like fingerprint animation, charging animation and much more. Open your settings, select dynamic effects. From here you can change USB insertion animation, fingerprint animation, charging animation and much more. If you want that blinking flashlight effect for incoming calls, then open your settings, select shortcut and accessibility, scroll down and then select flash notifications. Simply enable this. Now if someone will call you, this flashlight will blink for your incoming calls. You can change the sliding effect on the home screen. To do that, tap and hold on the home screen, select home settings and then select sliding effects. Here you have some cool looking styles. Select your favorite one and then jump to your home screen. Then it will change the sliding effect on the home screen. If you want to clone the Messenger application, then open your settings, scroll down, select apps and then select app clone. It will show all the applications which are clonable in your smartphone. Select the app you want to clone. It will take few seconds. After that it will make the dual of that application. As you can see, I have two Facebooks now and I can log in with two different accounts in the same application. You can read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. But keep in mind, you must enable the next feature. To do that, open your settings, select notification and status bar, select notification history and then enable use notification history. Now it will save all the notifications here and you can read it even after someone will delete it. You can adjust the shape and size of the icons. To do that, open your settings, select home screen, lock screen and wallpaper and then select icons. From here you can make the icons more rounded. You can adjust the size of the icon from here. You can also change the icon style from minimal to exquisite. So you can customize shape, size and style of icons that you have in your smartphone. If you use your phone with a single hand a lot, just like me, then you can use the next feature. Open your settings, select shortcut and accessibility and then select one-handed. Simply enable this. Now whenever you want to enable this one-handed mode, then you can swipe like this. That will enable the one-handed mode and you will be able to use your phone with a single hand very easily. To exit it, simply click on cross. There are multiple ways to click a screenshot. The first one is to use your three fingers and then swipe down. The second one is to use your volume down button and power button at the same time. Then it will click a screenshot. But if you want to click a screenshot of a specific area, then use your three fingers and then tap in on the display like this. Now select the area of which you want to click a screenshot. You can also select the shapes from here. You can also edit it from here. You can write anything you want and much more. After this, click on this save button. You can also click a long screenshot, for example of article or of any messages that you have. Simply click a normal screenshot and then select long screenshot. Then scroll to adjust the length and then click on save. You can hide your application, lock your application and hide your photos and videos as well. To do that, open your settings, select security and privacy, scroll down. There on the bottom you will see the option of app encryption. From here you can lock your application and from app hiding you can hide your application. If you want a separate video on this, then please comment down. I will make a separate video on this topic. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Vivo Y400 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.